everybody, thanks for joining me for another tutorial in Melinda's Rubber Room. I'm Melinda Pierce. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, and I'm here today to show you how to make this fun tri-fold card. It's a great way to make cards for all different occasions, and it's a little bit different fold than your standard fold, so I'm just going to show you how to put that together. So we have a piece of card base here. This is Granny Apple Green. And it measures 5.5 by 11, and it's scored at 1 3/4. Let's see, I'm going to turn it this way: 1 3/4, 5.5, and 9 3/4. And you're going to fold that as a mountain fold, valley fold, and a mountain fold. So it folds together like that. The shorter of the less narrow, sorry, the more narrow side is on the right-hand side, and it folds over that left-hand side. Okay, so we have a piece of designer series paper. This measures 3.5 by 5.25, and that's just going to go right down like that. I'm going to go ahead and glue that into place. This paper is the Meandering Meadow designer series paper. It's an online exclusive, and you can find it on my online store at melindapierce.stampinup.net. It's a beautiful Monet-inspired designer series paper. And then I have 2 more strips. This one I'm going to make a little bit different than this card here. This one you can see I used 3 different pieces of designer series paper. This one I want to kind of make the design go all the way across like that. So what I did was I took my designer series paper and cut it down to 5.25. So I figured out how much space I wanted on the top and on the bottom with the sky versus the greenery. And then I cut it at 3.5, 1.5, and then 1 inch. So that was my paper to begin with. So now what I'm going to do is go ahead and lay that back down in the same order. This is a fun way to use your scenery paper. It's going to go like that. This one I'm going to close up and put this one on the very top. Okay, so I like it the way that this horizon line continues all the way across. Okay, so then that's going to fold out like that. I have a piece of matte cardstock, and this measures 5.5, I'm sorry, it measures 5.25 by 4. And go right like that. I do need a happy birthday stamp for the inside. I think I'll look for that later. I didn't pull that out yet. But I have a belly band here, and this measures 3/4 of an inch by 11. You can actually make it as wide as you want, but that's the measurement that I went with. And I'm just going to wrap this around so that the seam is in the back. So I'm just pinching it on the sides of the card, and then over on this side of the card, making sure that the ends match up in the back. Make sure it's tight, but not too tight that you have to struggle to get it off of your card. And I'm just going to use a bone folder to reinforce those folds. And then I'm just going to take some glue and put it right where that cardstock overlaps each other, just like so. Make sure that's nice and tight. Okay, so you can see how that's just going to slide on and off. And then I've already stamped my happy birthday banner. So I think I'm going to raise that up on dimensionals. You can see I stamped my greeting incorrectly at the first time, so I just turned my paper over and stamped it again. Okay, so that is going to, I'm going to off center it because I want to put this little basket on here too. Just like that, and then I'll take my little basket. The little basket is from the coordinating stamp set, Garden Meadow, which is also an online exclusive. Very cute set that you can do all kinds of different things with, and it has great dies with it too. It has ones to cut out the little picket fence and then all the other little dies, as well as this kind of garden window type of die. Oops, going like that. I'm not going to use that. All right, so I may add a few more embellishments to this. I feel like it needs something more. So maybe a bow or something like I did on this one. Maybe just put that down there. But that's how that card goes together. Slides on and off, and then you just open it like that. So I hope you enjoyed that quick tutorial. Feel free to join us for my Zoom sessions. Those are Wednesdays from 10 a.m. to noon Pacific time. I have all the information on my Facebook page at Melinda's Rubber Room. So I hope you can join us. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them on my YouTube channel on the comments, or you can reach me on my Facebook page as well. All right, have a great day. Bye-bye.